My name is Abdurrahman Omar. I am 41 years old. I came from Somalia. I was suffering about back pain and also leg pain, left leg pain. I went before many doctors. They gave me medications, but nothing could not change. Nothing could change. Then my friend Absalan take to me this hospital, Yashoda. Then we met Dr. Kiran Lingutla, doctor of ortho spine surgeon. Then he told us that I need surgery. Then we did the doctor did the surgery last August, 19 August. Now, it is 1 month ago, I'm feeling better, no back pain, no leg pain. I can walk also, and I am hoping that I will go home and do my work and lifestyle good. And I'm feeling very happy today because I'm not feeling any pain at all. So I'm thanking Dr. Kiran Lingutla and also all Yashodo Hospital team. Thank you.